everyone, Mandy here with Organic Mixology, and it's almost St. Patrick's Day. So to celebrate, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an Irish-inspired hot chocolate using almond, dark chocolate, and sea salt liqueur, and Irish whiskey. Okay, first we're going to add 1 cup of almond milk to a pan over the stovetop. Turn that up to medium-high heat. We're just gonna let that heat up a little bit. Okay, so our milk is hot, and to that we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate. I've got chocolate chips right here. Okay, and then we're gonna whisk this all together and wait for the chocolate to melt and get fully incorporated. You can turn down the heat a little bit at this point. Okay, it's smooth, no lumps, everything is incorporated. So now to assemble the cocoa, we are going to add 1 ounce of Irish whiskey. I'm going to do 1 ounce of Ohm's dark chocolate and sea salt liqueur. And then I'm going to top that off with the hot cocoa that we just made. Okay, give that a quick stir, get everything incorporated. And then for garnish today, we've got some adorable little shamrock marshmallows that I found at Target, and I'm just gonna plop those right in. Here's our final drink. I've got my cute little marshmallows floating around, and I've got my whiskey, all my hot chocolate, and this is a delightful way to wake up on St. Patrick's Day. To purchase Organic Mixology liqueurs, please go to organicmixology.com and follow us below. Have a great St. Patrick's Day, y'all. Cheers.